What's your first name?
Daniel.
What's your last name?
Carter.
Carter. How do you spell it?
Carter.
What nationality are you?
I am Canadian.
What's your address?
985 Maple Avenue, Toronto, Canada.
What's your phone number?
My cell number is 416-555-1234.
What's your email address?
It's daniel.carter@outlook.com.
Sorry. Could you repeat that, please?
Sure. It's daniel.carter@outlook.com.
How old are you?
I'm 22.
When were you born?
I was born on March 14th, 2002.
Where were you born?
I was born in Vancouver.
What do you do?
I am a university student studying computer science.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish fluently.
How tall are you?
I'm 175 centimeters tall.
What's your blood type?
O positive.
How much do you weigh?
I weigh 68 kilos.
How many pounds is that?
150 pounds.
Are you new to the gym?
Yes, I just joined last week.
Do you have a workout routine?
Not really. I'm still trying to figure out what works for me.
Do you prefer cardio or strength training?
I'd say strength training. I feel more accomplished after lifting weights.
What's your fitness goal?
I want to build muscle and improve my stamina.
Do you follow a specific diet?
I try to eat balanced meals, lots of protein and veggies, but I still love pizza once in a while.
What's something you find challenging at the gym?
Honestly, staying consistent. Sometimes it's hard to make time for workouts.
Do you listen to music while exercising?
Always. It keeps me motivated. I like fast-paced tracks, mostly EDM and pop.
Do you have a gym buddy?
No, I usually work out alone, but it might be fun to have someone to push me harder.
What's your favorite exercise?
Deadlifts. It's tough but feels amazing when you lift heavy.
Is there something you dislike about the gym?
Crowded evenings. It's hard to find free equipment.
What advice would you give to someone new?
Take it slow and don't compare yourself to others. Everyone's journey is different.
What's your dream fitness achievement?
Running a marathon. It's on my bucket list.
Hello, Riverside Recreation Center. How can I assist you?
Hi, what time does the swimming pool open today?
Let me check. Today is Thursday. The swimming pool opens at 10:30 a.m.
And what time does it close?
It usually closes at 8 p.m., but today it will close at 5:45 p.m.
Got it. Is there anything else I should know?
Sure. Would you like to know the timing for any other activities?
Yes. When is yoga? Is it today?
No, yoga is on Fridays at 6 p.m.
How long does it last?
It usually runs for an hour until 7 p.m.
And what about badminton?
Badminton is on Monday from 4:45 p.m. to 6 p.m.
Perfect. Thanks for the info.
You're very welcome. Have a great day. Hello, may I have your name, please?
Yes, it's Emma Carter.
Hi, Emma. How can I assist you today?
I burned my hand and I'm unsure what to do next.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. Can you tell me what happened?
Sure. I was boiling water for tea and the kettle tipped over, spilling hot water on my hand.
I see. How does it look now?
It's red, and it's really painful.
Okay, the first thing you need to do is run cold water over the burn for at least 10 minutes. That will help cool the area and reduce swelling.
All right, I'll do that. Is there anything else?
Once you've done that, pat it dry gently and avoid applying any creams or ointments right away. If the pain continues or blisters form, you should visit a doctor.
Got it. Thank you so much for the advice.
You're welcome. Take care, and I hope it feels better soon.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Hello?
Hi, is Emily there, please?
Speaking. Who's this?
This is Alec.
Oh, hey, Alex. How's everything going?
It's pretty good. How about you?
I'm doing great, thanks. What have you been up to lately?
Oh, just busy with work. Lots of deadlines this week.
Same here. So, what are you doing this Friday? Want to grab dinner and maybe catch a movie?
Friday? Let me think. What time are you thinking?
Around 6?
I'd love to, but I have a yoga class at 6. Can we do another day?
Of course. How about Saturday instead?
Saturday works perfectly. Same time?
Sure. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at Central Park by the coffee shop.
Central Park? Could you give me directions?
Sure. It's on Maple Avenue. Head straight, take a left onto Willow Street, and you'll see the coffee shop on your right.
Got it. I think I know where that is.
Perfect. See you at 6 on Saturday then?
Yep. See you then.
Great. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, Lisa. I've got a quick question for you.
Good morning, sir. Sure. What do you need?
Well, I've been looking at the monthly productivity report, and something caught my eye. Why did the coffee budget triple this month?
Oh, that's, an interesting story.
I'm listening.
Well, you see, ever since we got that fancy new coffee machine, everyone's been drinking a lot more coffee.
A lot more coffee?
Yes, sir. Apparently the machine makes cappuccinos, lattes, and, those little foam art things.
Foam art?
Yes, I caught Dave in accounting trying to make a heart shape in his latte yesterday.
I see. So, everyone's been a little too caffeinated?
You could say that. Productivity has gone up, though.
Really? How much?
About 15%. But, there's also been a slight increase in enthusiasm during meetings.
Enthusiasm?
Let's just say the last team meeting turned into a full-on debate about which coffee blend is best.
All right, Lisa, let's keep the coffee machine. But maybe we cap the monthly coffee orders.
Got it, sir. I'll put a limit on the foam art supplies, too.
Good idea. Anything else I should know?
Just one thing. HR is requesting a coffee appreciation day next month.
Of course they are. Fine, but let's make it a potluck.
Done. You're the boss.
Thanks, Lisa. Now go make sure Dave isn't trying to sculpt a foam swan.
Will do.
So, are you traveling for business or pleasure?
A bit of both, actually. Heading to New York for a conference, but I'm squeezing in some sightseeing. What about you?
Just visiting family? It's been a while since I've had time to fly out. What kind of conference?
It's about tech innovations, AI, smart gadgets, all that fun stuff.
Oh, that sounds fascinating. Are you a tech guy?
Yeah, I work in product design. We create smart home devices. You know, like thermostats that learn your habits or lights you can control with your voice.
Ah, so you're the guy making us lazier.
Or more efficient. Depends on how you look at it.
Fair enough. So, what's the most exciting project you've worked on?
Well, last year we developed a fridge that suggests recipes based on what's inside it. It was a hit.
No way! So if I have ketchup, eggs, and leftover pizza, it'll suggest something?
Maybe not pizza, but yeah, it'll say, hey, how about an omelette? Or remind you when something's about to expire.
That's impressive. Although, I feel like it'd just guilt-trip me about all the vegetables I buy and never use.
Happens to the best of us.
So what's next? Flying cars?
Funny you say that. Our company is actually dabbling in drone tech. Packages delivered right to your doorstep.
That's cool. But what if the drone drops my package?
Trust me, we're working on that. No one wants a smashed birthday cake.
True. You know, it must be fun to work on stuff that feels straight out of a sci-fi movie.
It is. But enough about me. What do you do?
Oh, nothing as fancy as you. I'm a teacher.
Hey, that's one of the most important jobs there is. What do you teach?
History. I love bringing the past to life for my students.
History, huh? Maybe one day you'll be teaching about the tech revolution we're living through.
Maybe. And if I do, I'll be sure to mention the guy who made smart fridges and guilted people into eating their vegetables.
I'll take it.